Okay, and here is a little bit different idea of using some capacitive touch switch sensing. In this idea, I will not use capacitive touch switch sensing for turning on and off some devices, for example like lights and ventilators, but in this case I will use capacitive touch switch sensing and also some proximity sensing to make some security system. So the basic concept idea is, if you're not home, you turn on the security system, and if someone grabs your door handle, then in this case you will get some notification to your mobile phone. So here I have some early stage of this idea, and actually here you can see some value numbers. Right now I don't touch the door handle. Right now I get the value from 0 to 5. But if I touch the door handle, like so, then I get the maximum value number, which is in my case 365. But like I said, this system also have some proximity sensing, which means that this system will detect some hand on some distance. So right now I have 5 centimeters distance, or maybe 4 centimeters, and I get the value of from 20 to 30. If I get a little bit closer, I mean if I put my hand a little bit closer, then this value will higher. Right now in this stage I get 75, and if I grab the door handle, then I get the maximum value, 365. So this system can detect also the distance of their hand. It also can detect how hard you will grab this door handle. So some slightly touch to this door handle. Right now I get the value from 100 to 200, 300. If I touch a little bit harder, then I get the maximum value number. But with some slightly touch, I get the number of 100. Okay, this system will detect and also notify you if someone will touch your door handle. Also, how hard will touch your door handle, how long, and also can detect the distance. But most of the time the robbers will have some gloves, and this system also works if someone using gloves. With no problem. Also the proximity sensing works really great. Okay, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.